Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to integrate the Claude code extension inside VS Code. So if you go to extensions tab in VS Code, simply type here Claude code. There will be two extensions will come right here. One is the official extension which is offered by Anthropic, and this will be the second extension which is actually a chat window. So this is the official extension. So if you click this install button, using this, you first of all need to have Claude Code installed separately for this extension to work. So if you haven't installed this, you need to first of all install this. So once you do this, this interface Claude, you can access Claude here by going to command palette. Simply type Claude, and you can have these three options right here. You can fix the code with Claude Code or run Claude Code. So now you will see you first of all need to have Claude installed inside your system. So Claude is not directly available in Windows. Instead, you need to open Windows subset for Linux. So if you're having Ubuntu system in Windows, as you can see, I've installed Claude right here. So right here, so you need to install Claude here, and this is the official one, but there is also this second extension which comes with a chat interface. So this is Claude Code Chat, and for this also you should have first of all installed Claude inside your machine. And if Claude is installed, you can install this extension. And what this extension does, it actually add this option right here inside your sidebar section, Claude Code Chat. So simply activate this, and now this will actually integrate this chat window where you can actually type the message or whatever you want to do right here, and basically send out to Claude. Similar to any other AI prompt, you simply have a chatbot. So this extension, it's a custom extension, it's not the official one. Simply activate this will add this chat window, and here you can actually send out the chat and then chat with the Claude, official Claude. For this to work, you do need to basically provide the location of your Claude in WSL integration. Just provide the full path, and also you need to paste the API key as well. So that you need to do by yourself. You will see these tokens appearing right here, and here you can select whichever model you want to use, Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, like this. You can configure it. So definitely check out this.